In the quaint town of Willowbrook, Emily and James first crossed paths during a local art fair.
If you don't have a deep knowledge of animation creation but want to create animation videos like this one, how is that possible? In this era of artificial intelligence, nothing is impossible. Yes, with the help of AI, you can create this kind of animation in just 10 minutes. In today's video, I am going to show you the step-by-step process of creating a 3D animated love story with AI. So, without further ado, let's dive in. First, we need a captivating love story to make a video. And for writing the story, I will take the help of our beloved ChatGPT. After coming to ChatGPT, simply enter your prompt. Make sure your prompt has details about the story. For example, I am giving the prompt as "Give me a short love story with a little bit of emotions, sadness, heartbreak, and a happy ending." I also added a line after the prompt. I want to create a YouTube video from this, so also give me image ideas for each scene. It will help me generate the visual. Okay, after entering the prompt, hit the enter button. And your story is ready with the visual suggestions. We will generate images with these visuals or image suggestions. For generating images, I will use a free text-to-image generation tool called Leonardo AI. After coming to Leonardo AI, you have to select a featured model. As we are creating a 3D animation video, so I will select the 3D animation style as my feature model. After selecting the model, click on Generate with this model. Now change the aspect ratio. If you want to create a video for YouTube, then select 16:9, and if you want to create a video for social media, then select 1:1. Okay, now we have to enter our prompt. We will use the image suggestion of ChatGPT as our prompt. So, come back to ChatGPT and copy the first image suggestion and paste it into Leonardo's prompt box. I will use the narration text as a prompt also, so that Leonardo can generate more related images. After entering the prompt, hit the Generate button from here. And boom! Our first image has been generated. Now download the image on your device. In this same way, generate images for all of the scenes suggested by ChatGPT and download them on your device. Alright, our images have been generated. In the next step, we will generate audio with the story. And for generating a story, I will use Muff AI. You can use your own voice or other voice generator services. After coming to the Muff, create a new account. You can create an account with your Google account or email address. After creating the account, click on Create a new project. Now change the voice model. Select your favorite voice model. In Muff, you can change the use case of the voice model. I will select storytelling. After that, come to ChatGPT and copy the story. Copy only the story, don't copy the image suggestions, and then paste it into the Muff text box. In the same way, copy all of the parts of the story. After completing the process, click on the play button from here. After completing the voice generation process, export the audio. Alright, our image and audio generation is now completed. Now we will generate animation with our image. And to do this, I will use Pika Labs. It's a free image to video generation tool. After coming to their website, click on Join Beta. You will need a Discord account to generate videos with Pika Labs. Alright, click on Accept Invite. Now you will see their rules and regulations. For generating video, we need to join one of the narrator channels by Pika Labs. After joining one of the generator channels, come to the message box. In the message box, you have to enter /create. After that, click on +1 more. Now you have to upload one of the images generated by Leonardo. After uploading the image, come to the prompt box and enter a prompt. Just enter love story as a prompt. Then hit the enter button. It will take some time to generate the video. You will find your video is highlighted. Alright, our first video is ready. Let's play it. Although the video is just 3 seconds but looks amazing. Later I will share a technique on how can you increase the video length. Okay, download the video on your device. Then generate videos with all other images in the same way. After completing the process, download all of the videos on your device. Alright, all of our videos and audio are now ready. Our next step is to edit them and create the full animation video. You can use any kind of video editor. I will use CapCut because it's free and also available an online version. After opening the CapCut or any video editor, import all of the video clips and audio into the editor. After that, select the audio file and insert it into timeline, then insert the first video. Now you have to decrease the speed of the video clips to adjust with the audio. Customize the speed as you need. Then add the second footage. In this way, add all of the video clips and adjust its size. You can add transactions and effects to make the video more stunning. Okay, after completing the editing, export the video. Alright, our final video is ready, let's enjoy the video.
In the quaint town of Willowbrook, Emily and James first crossed paths during a local art fair. Their eyes met as they both reached for the same delicate ceramic vase. A gentle smile and a shared laugh ignited a connection that would change their lives forever. As the days turned into weeks, their love blossomed like the flowers that surrounded them. They spent their time discovering new places.
I think it's a quite good video in a short time. You can make the videos more stunning by giving some extra effects. Alright friends, I will wrap up our video now. Before that, I would love to hear about your experience of animation creation with the help of AI. Share your thoughts and results in the comments section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating!